This MJ, and today I will unbox and review this USB multimedia keyboard made from the Intech company, and the model number is IT-100 USB. So this is a USB multimedia keyboard, and I will test the touch performance or key performance of this keyboard. So I have just unboxed here. As you can see, it's small in size. And the finishing is good, it's well finishing, and you can see here light texture in the layout. Okay, so here in the top side, the multimedia option given keyboard like play, pause and previous, next, volume control and mute, email, and the home button. And as usual here in the numerical keys, and this is the option keys like print, screen and the scroll. So nothing changed and nothing different. It's a normal like keyboard. And the main thing is, let me check the key performance of this small keyboard Intech. So as you see, this is a small in size, and it's really hard to adjust your hand or finger into the keys. And one thing you can observe is here you can the gap between the key, it's not a big gap, it's like a compact in the keys. So I will show you this performance. Okay. It's not a good keyboard for heavy user or you are professional typist, so this is not suitable for you. And normally we can use this just typing an email or letters. Okay, the only thing I like in this keyboard, the space bar, and here the option keys. You can see the control and Windows key and Alt key. This works nice. Otherwise other keys little hard, and I'm feeling difficult to type. Look at that. I am a typist and I am not feeling well or comfortable to type in this keyboard, and the key is hard, it's not smooth. You can see here the key is hard. So overall the keyboard is average, it's not good for heavy use, and for normal use we can use it because it's a budget keyboard. And for latest price and full description of this keyboard, I have given a link in the video description. You can go and get the latest price and full description. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much.